Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5799 and 5807 East Lake Road in Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is a Seneca Lake property opportunity to build your dream Lakeview home. So let's take a tour.
Right behind me is 5799 East Lake Road, a great building lot with flat terrain and a slight slope on approximately 0.7 acres, with scenic lake views. 5807 East Lake Road shares the same scenic setting, with approximately 0.7 acres of its own, and those breathtaking views. These are two building lots with unlimited potential. Buy one or both. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. The possibilities are endless.
Work with us in building your new dream home and receive a free appliance of your choice up to $1,000. Lakeshore Landing is a very special community in the heart of wine country on the east side of beautiful Seneca Lake.
This waterfront community enjoys private access to a 184-foot beach and boat launch, with nearby Sampson State Park.
Rob, this is a great place.
This is amazing Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5799 and 5807 East Lake Road in Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!